Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on abiotic and biotic factors in the environment, and this was prepared by the Tutoring team. So let's jump in. What is the difference between biotic and abiotic components of the environment? Okay, this is quite an easy one. If we're talking about your biotic components, okay, these are basically the living factors in an ecosystem. Okay, so they're your living factors in the ecosystem. These are things like your plants and your animals. Okay, now abiotic, A basically will refer to non or not. So if that is the case, it's non-living factors. Okay, so if these are your non-living factors, here we're talking about things like light, wind, so light, wind, water, temperature, soil, and also your physiographic factors. Okay, when I talk about physiographic factors, I'm referring to altitude and latitude. So, biotic are your living factors, plants and animals, and then abiotic are your non-living factors, light, water, wind, temperature, etc. So now you know the difference. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down below. Until next time, stay epic.